Hi Pisces! This is Pisces Hub. Welcome to my channel. So for today's video, gamitan natin itong The Mystic Red Rose Oracle Cards. Alamin natin kung ano yung mga posibleng mangyari for Pisces gamit ang ating Oracle card na ito. Okay? Reminder lang po na ito ay general reading po. So pwede pong mag-resonate sa'yo Pisces. Pwede pong hindi. Okay? And this is a timeless reading. So kahit anong araw, buwan, taon mo ito napanood. Basta mag-resonate po, take lang. Pag hindi, huwag kong ipilit, okay? So, ano po yung mga posibleng mangyari for Pisces sa araw na napanood niya to? Mga gabay, mensahe, pasensya na po sa background noises for Pisces sa araw na ito. Wow! Love! There's a love. Obviously, this is a love reading, Pisces. Unang-una pa lang, okay? Love, unconditional love, self-love and wholeness, affection and attraction, selflessness, true love, kumbaga. Okay. Ganda ng una nating card dito. So, ano pa po? Ano po yung connection for love for Pisces sa araw na ito? Mirror, mirroring each other, self-reflection, introspection, inner wounds. Okay, so, this person that you love, or you have to love yourself, Pisces, or you are mirroring to this person na dinidil nyo po, itong mahal mo, okay? Kung ano yung nararamdaman mo, ganun din yung nararamdaman niya sa'yo, Pisces. Okay, that's nice. Or you have to heal your wounds. And there's a attraction, seduction, teasing, hooking up, and date, third-party temptation. So, kung gaano ka ka-obsess sa kanya, ganun din siya sa'yo, Pisces. Mirror kasi eh. And yung love, mirror, tapos seduction. And ship, cutting ties, moving on, receive what you need, progression, and arriving. This person is arriving, Pisces. Ano pa? Camera, namimiss ka ng taong to. Pwedeng LDR kayo ng taong to, Pisces, okay? Kasi meron tayo ditong reminiscing, making memories, learn from the past, perception, and kung gaano mo to kamahal, ganun din siya kamahal, ganun ka din kamahal ng taong to. And this person is always looking at your pictures, namimiss ka ng taong to, okay? This person is obsessed with you, and you are obsessed to this person. Mahal mo siya, mahal ka niya, okay? And she is coming. Wow! Darating na siya, Pisces. Ano pa ito? Karmic relationship, resentments and triggers, perception, intensity, and letting go, turmoil, and fleeting. So, pwedeng dumanas kayo sa isang relasyon na medyo karmic. Okay? And pwedeng yun yung nag-cause sa'yo nitong inner wounds, Pisces. Kumbaga, may mga traumas and you are healed. You are healed or you are healing together with this person. After the karmic relationship, Pisces, you will get what you want. You will get the love that you deserve, okay? Healing heart, toxicity and addiction, abusive relationship, okay? So, kung ano man yung nangyari sa karmic relationship niyo po dati, mag-heal kayo together with this person. Okay, so ano pa po yung message niyo po for Pisces? Passion, wow! Passion, insane chemistry, sparks and having fun, equal interest. As I said kanina, kung ano yung nararamdaman mo, ganun din yung nararamdaman niya sa'yo, Pisces. Okay, so there is a burning desire, burning passion to this person and you. Ang lakas ng chemistry niyo ng taong to. Okay, so this person is coming, is arriving, darating na siya. Pero as of now, parang namimiss niyo yung isa't isa and there's a talking. Saglit. Interest, awaiting messages, text, calls, email. Pwede ding image, Pisces, as I said kanina, parang pictures, okay? And talking more. So, pwedeng there's a big possibility na medyo long distance kayo ng taong to and you are more talking in social media, text calls, emails, okay? And you are so excited to meet this person, to be with this person again. And ganun din siya, namimiss ka niya, gusto ka niya makasama, gustong-gusto ka niyang makasama. Okay? Sweet naman. Poker face, this person will try to do a risky decision and union sa'yo, Pisces. Napaka-risky, okay? Merong gustong gawin pero hindi alam kung ano yung posibleng mangyari. Kaya risky siya, okay? So, yun, parang, as I said kanina, pwedeng magkikita na kayo ng taong to or something like, magkikita ulit kayo and napaka-risky pero at the same time, it's worth it. Wow, ang ganda. Ang sweet, ang ganda. Okay. Obviously, sobrang gandang love na nandito, Pisces. Saglit lang. Oh, separation. Ayan. Hindi naman siya totally separation, Pisces, ano, kasi pwedeng separation, as I said kanina, pwedeng sa distance po. And at the same time, namimiss ka niya. Gusto ka niya makasama kasi meron tayo ditong missing you, thinking about you. Uncertain future. As I said kanina, gusto nyo gawin, gusto mag-take ng risk, pero hindi alam kung ano yung mangyayari, kaya medyo risky, and yun, uncertain future. Hindi alam kung ano yung mga posibleng mangyari, pero gagawin at gagawin because of this love right here, okay? Bottom of the deck is Coffin, new beginning, liberation, reborn, and transition, tragic ending. So, this person or you is something like parang yung relasyon nyo dito, Pisces, is unusual. Okay? Unusual siya. Especially to this person. Pwedeng first time niyang magkaroon ng LDR relationship. Long distance relationship, Pisces. Okay? Or pwedeng ikaw din. And pwedeng nagkita na kayo or pwedeng magkikita ulit kayo. Okay? And mostly nagto-talk kayo, nag-chat, texting, callings, emails, through social media or phone, and andun yung love, ramdam nyo yung love na nandito. Kung ano yung nararamdaman mo, ganun din yung nararamdaman niya sa'yo, Pisces, okay? And andun yung passion, yung gigil yung dalawa. Okay? And yung kung ano man yung nangyari about the karmic relationship you had to other people, mag-heal siya together with this person, okay? Or both of you are already healed, okay? And andun yung parang medyo separated kayo, pwedeng sa distance, okay? And will try to communicate, will try to be together again. There is a big leap of faith, yun. There's a big leap of faith sa inyong dalawa para magsama. Okay, that's so sweet. Ang cute nito. Ang lakas ng chemistry, ang lakas ng love na nandito, Pisces. Okay, so kuha tayo ng mga initials, random words, kung sino or ano po yung mga konektado for Pisces sa araw na ito. Obviously, this is a love reading po kasi unang-unang card pa lang is love. Okay. Meron tayo ditong coffee and tea, panaginip, letter A, pwede ding anak, kapatid, letter I, K, Kia, or pets, meron tayo ditong pets. Chat, text, tawag, ayan, Pisces, so, sinabi ko talking. Okay, long hair, lover, F-K-I-A, and then short hair. Merong isa sa inyo yung mahaba yung buhok, meron ding isa yung parang short hair. Okay, so, pwedeng nandito, pwede pong wala. It's okay lang. Okay, so, yun po ang ating reading for Pisces sa araw na ito. Naway nag-resonate po and naway nagustuhan niyo po. Huwag niyo po sanang kalimutan na mag-like at mag-subscribe po sa ating channel and click the bell button, Pisces, para ma-notify po kayo sa next videos na i-upload natin. Okay, so, thank you, Pisces, and God bless!